Here there guys, today we'll be painting the Beastman Warrior from Reaper Miniatures to the core level standard. First thing you want to do is grab a scalpel or other sharp blade and gently trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this step and always cut away from yourself. I've given the model a base coat of a mix of nut brown and wolf grey using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you don't have one. Let's get the messy step out of the way first. Find an old brush, preferably a small one. Pop some wolf grey on your palette and wipe most of the paint off on an old rag. Lightly dry brush this across any fur on the model to bring out the details. Basecoat his axe head and the decorative face on his belt with blade steel. Basecoat his axe handle, his leather cuff and his loincloth with nut brown. Give his base a coat of wolf grey. You might need 2 thin coats of this to cover the brown properly. Now use skeleton bone to paint his hooves, teeth and horns. If you're feeling brave, you can paint the stitching on his cuff with this as well. Next we'll give him some definition with a wash. Dilute some nut brown with water or flow improver and wash this over the entire model. Go have a cup of tea while it dries. And with that done, the model is complete. Now don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos and we will see you soon.